Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best water tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wild Whirlpool water table. If your child loves water creatures such as octopus or loves creating whirlpools and waves, then this water table will be perfect. Designed for children of different ages, this accessory comes in a decent dimension that doesn't occupy lots of space. It comes in a kid-friendly and colorful design for more fun and is constructed from quality and safe plastic. The simple design makes it perfect even for very young users or first-timers. Enter the splash zone and create whirlpool fun with this new water table. The table's rotating octopus and water tower with spinner make for plenty of summertime fun. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rain Shower Splash Pond water table playset. This unit comprises of mazes, a water table springboard, figures, a water bucket, and a tray. Many kids will be overly excited about this play accessory. It is very colorful, figure-rich, and comes with perfect dimensions. It offers many ways of having fun and being creative. Your child may decide to flip the figures, scoop the water, squirt water, and create a rain shower and much more. In fact, a creative child can come up with a complete water park. The two-tier design creates a showering splash below. Just scoop up water from the pond and pour into the top tray to make it rain. Watch as the rainfall activates the maze like spinners and ramps, a great way to show a cause and effect relationship. At number 3, we have the Anchors Away Pirate Ship Water Play Table. Children who love the pirate theme will love this water table. It comprises of a pirate ship, crow's nest, anchor, center mast, pirates, squirting shirk, and many more items. Your kid only needs to wear her creative hat for the best experience. The well-built table can accommodate a good amount of water and comes with nice edges that prevent too much splashing or spillage. Ahoy matey, get ready for a watertime adventure with the Little Tykes Anchors Away Pirate Ship Play Table. 2 fun characters, a squirting shark and a water fountain, make sure that kids will have hours of fun on the high seas. At number 2, we have the Spill and Splash Seaway water table. Children love tossing stuff in the water. It may be pebbles, stones, or even their toys. With this one, they will have more fun tossing the included figurines in water. All they do is use the included cannon to catapult them high in the air and back into the water. They can also create a waterfall or whirlpools for more excitement. You also don't have to worry about the scorching sun since the set comes with an umbrella. And finally at number 1, we have the Cascading Cove Sand and Water Table. This water and sand table looks real thanks to the quality engineering. The fairly large table is fit for several players. It features realistic designs such as a roadway that separates the sand and water. The plastic-made unit is strong and can accommodate as much as 3 gallons, 11.4 liters of water and 10 pounds, 4.5 kgs of sand all at once. The Step 2 Cascading Cove Sand and Water Table is a great outdoor toy that provides youngsters with hours of imaginative play fun. Kids can build sand castles on one side and sail toy boats on the other. Little ones will love pretending that they are sailing the 7 seas and then arrive on an island to dig for buried treasure. This kids' sand and water table is a brightly colored all-in-one activity table that provides sensory play fun for all. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.